Mr. Fred. Prince is dead. And the best thing we could do right now is to take care of Angel. Angel is not just a patient. She's part of us. We are family. If her security is not guaranteed here in your hospital, where else would it be?
Really short of words. I'm ashamed of this level of incompetency. It's not just something to write home about. How is she?
I'll say she's fine. At least, her security is more guaranteed in my house. If no one will take care of Angel, I personally will do that. She's my best friend, for crying out loud. I owe her that. And I'm letting you know now that she's not stepping an inch out of my house anymore.
Well, that's okay. I'll be coming from time to time to Mr. Troll's.
Better. Angel's situation is giving me a cause to worry. Will she ever get back to her normal self again? Is there anything that could be done for my girlfriend to come around? Is there ever a solution to this? Is there?
What is it you said about dummy?
The last time she came to my shop, she took the dummy with her. And each time she plays with the dummy, she feels relaxed and happy. Every time. Please, Phil, is there anything you could make out of this?
Well, none I could say for now. But I need you to know that her revival is a gradual process. It's something you study her day-to-day activity. With that, I believe she'll be fine.
She must swear. She must swear. She must swear. She must swear. She must swear.
Our elders, we greet you all. Anyị bụ ndị nwunye Edi. We are the wives that are married to this village.
Yes.
And we do not support evil.
At all.
We are saying that Angelina must come and swear.
Bam.
She must come down to this village and swear to prove her innocence. Since she has been claiming that she has no hand in the death of Obiako, her husband.
Yes, sir.
She has to come and swear so that the consequences of her sins will not befall us and our children. Have I spoken your mind?
Yes, sir.
We have had you. You can now go.
Thank you, our elders.
Angelina Meraru.
Oh, Meraru.
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 Angelina Meraru.
Oh, Meraru. Oh, Meraru.
Your spell is where I found me, like you're living inside my head. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you. I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. Right in your arms is where I find this. I looked in your eyes, I see eternity. Under your bond is where I wanna be, forever and ever. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you, 'cause I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. Under the darkness, you're my moonlight.
Can't believe this. The villagers want Angel to come down to their village and swear her innocence to one ROC or whatever they call it.
Swear to an ROC in this 21st century? Come on, girl, you got to be kidding me.
I'm not kidding you, girlfriend. Omodara is a very popular town known for its ancient barbaric cultural practices. A lot of shits happen in that town that one would wonder if such rubbish still exists in this age and time. It's crazy.
What is this?
Honestly. Fred, have you seen her?
Yeah. Angel is doing amazingly well. You're doing a great job on her. Enough rest for her.
What's our friends for?
All thanks to you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming around.
Thank you for thanking me.
Yeah.
I'll keep in touch with you guys, okay?
Thank you. Thank you for coming around.
Yeah, I'll be hitting my office now. I've got a lot of work to do there.
Alright, fine.
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
Please, Chelsea, I want you to come with me to Omodara. Angel will also be coming along with us.
Don't tell me you're taking Angel to the village to swear to some ROC or whatever.
Of course not.
Better.
No, Angel is not swearing to any ROC. But the people of Omodara will not understand it if she doesn't show up. They would think she's guilty and she's running away.
So?
Chelsea, they are deadly and unpredictable. I want them to see that the condition of the woman they want to crucify is not even nice. She's not even in her right frame of mind. I just pray that they let that woman be. They shouldn't add to what she's already passing through. It's not nice.
And you think it's a wise decision? A good idea?
I don't know. I don't just know. I'm as confused as you are. Confused.
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to
Oji is a god of justice. Oji is a god of justice. You see, she has not even sworn to the oath. Oji has struck her with madness. You see what I'm saying? Hey, you are a witch. Killing all the people. Yes. Yes, you see? Hey. Hey.
Uncle, Angel is innocent. She's innocent of all this. I drove her down myself.
I knew she was not in her right frame of mind. I brought her down for you to know that she's not running away from all this. She's not running away. Where were they taking her to? Where? Answer me, where were they taking her to? Chelsea, say something. Where are they taking her to?
Bianca, just calm down, alright? Uncle, say something to us. Where are they taking her to?
Talk to me. Were they going to kill her? Talk to me, Uncle. What is wrong? She hasn't done anything wrong. She's so innocent of all this. And you stand there and say nothing? Uncle.
Uncle, please talk to us. Please, say something.
Oh, I can't believe this. This is not nice at all. Oh, I can't believe this. What was...
Calm down.
What?
Uncle, just say something to us.
Say something now. I can't take this. I can't just take this. I can't take this. I can't take this.
Calm down.
This is not right. This is injustice. And you know that. Why are they hurting her like that? She has not done anything wrong.
You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust. You better know who to and who not to trust.
My daughter, like I told you earlier before now, as an elder and the elders in this kindred, there are things I am not supposed to say. But I want to assure you, anywhere Angelina is, she is in safe hand. Pending the day of the burial of the husband, Obiako.
On the burial day? What happens on that day?
Her fate will be decided.
Chukumanya Achangane no Chaginana Afurongana Taba Gangi Billy Gangi Siebio Ebobonino No La Kwamebe Iarapu Metua Kedi Femme Wanumo Kwisini Folo Munangarine Obogini Neme Agotarom Biko Nataba Kani Billy Okoma Nataba no Biko Nataba Dimoma Nataba no Biko Nataba Irapu Metua Mono Nyebi Nataba Nataka Muoka Lucielu Gini Nataba Biko Ebobunino Nataba Nulolumu Weloso Welije Nataba Nataba no Biko Nataba Nataba
Anya mmiri ejuwo mobi mo Akwa riri ejuwo mobi mo Di mama arapuwo mu wenwo Alili ebue obi agbawa mo Ijuwa monye kam gakoro Obonye ganuronu mo Kuwa mara kwa n'aka m dị ọcha onweghị ihe mere aka m dị ọcha kedu ka m ga-esi gwa onye m hụrụ n'anya obodo niile ebochiwo m ọnụ ọ bụ onye ga-akwụnyere m ka ha mara n'aka m dị ọcha ewo alili eligbu emu ewo onye ka m ga-ebesara ewo onye ga-agụgụ m obi me onye mụrụ n'anya arapụwo m wena nke m love me biko bịa onye mụrụ n'anya biko kulie n'iwe na ha chọrọ ili mụ na ndụ ebe abụ n'ịnọ gbatara m ọsọ enyemaka love me biko kulie n'iwe nekwa aka ji m achọrọ ili m na ndụ bịa kwere m ọnụ Chibo alili ekwebo aka m dị gwata
Something is seriously wrong somewhere. You don't need to tell me. I have eyes and I can see. See that woman, Angelina? She is evil. And no matter what, she will not escape this. What made me escape? Hey! How for me? Hey!
The mouthpiece of Fuji. What we witness today has never happened in the history of Umudara. It is a sign of bad omen. We have all come here to ask you on what to do. Please tell us.
Go and bury the dead.
Eh? Bury the dead without the woman? Look, as we speak, that evil woman that we are supposed to bury alongside our brother Obiako is nowhere to be found. Eh? How the woman managed to escape is still a mystery to all of us.
And it shall not remain a mystery forever. The mystery behind what happened today shall be revealed to us in no due time. At the right time, go and bury the dead. Thus says Oji, our God of justice.
Your mother was the love of my life. She was all that I ever wanted. She was the whole world to me. But the evil ones took her away from me. They took your mother away from me. I loved her for all my life. Your mother was the best thing that ever happened to me. Now, I'm left here, all alone, to wonder.
You are the prince of my world. Under your spell is where I found me. Like you're living inside my head.
Is he alright?
Yeah.
Hey.
See it.
Eh?
This boy is not fine, no.
Are you sure?
Yes. Obi has been like that ever since his mother went missing.
Oh.
The little boy misses his mother so much that everything around him means nothing to him. Sometimes he acts strange. And for the fact that he is dumb makes things complicating. Because one finds it difficult to know what is in his mind.
Yes. What actually happened to the mother? Because it has been long. I saw her last, the mad woman.
Different stories. Some said she was asleep inside a truck and the truck zoomed off while she was sleeping.
Hey.
And some said she was attacked by bad people and they used her for ritual.
Oh.
But I have this feeling the mother is still alive.
That's sad.
Obu is more like a son to me. A son I never had. My love for children draws my affection to him, and I had to take good care of him and his mother. It wasn't easy. If only Olisa Binigwe would take away my sickness and extend my lifespan. I wish to take care of him until he grows into a man. I wish to see him happy again with his mother. He is dumb, but I see a lot behind his dumbness. I see a lot concealed in his mouth. He
Look at your smoke.
Ajangulenu chagilana Afurungu nataba Gagibili gagisi ebio Ebobo nino Nola kwa mebe Iyarapu metua Kedi femmeme Wanumo Kwisini fulumu nagarine
How are you, little boy? Why are you crying? What are you doing here all alone? Where's your mother? Where's your dad?
He has been behaving strange, behaving very weird since he started looking for his mother. Sad enough, the old woman that has been taking care of him died just a few days ago. Since then, he refused to stay with anyone else. He rather prefers to wander around. In fact, I don't understand.
I do not quite comprehend. I was actually on my way to the neighboring village before I saw this boy.
Hey.
Doesn't the little boy have siblings, relatives, or anyone I could take him to?
My brother. The only relative of his I know is the mother, the mad woman, that has been off and on around us here for the past 7 years, before she suddenly disappeared. Eh? Some say the mad woman is from Omudara village. I can't say for sure. My problem is this boy's state as a dumb. It's really complicating a lot of things. Eh? I wish he can talk.
Mad woman from Omudara.
Eh.
Mad woman, Omudara. Mad woman from Omudara.
Yes, that is her. The mad woman. Nobi. Eh? She's the one. Hey.
What are you saying? Are you serious? Why did it take you so long to tell me this? Why? No, don't say that. Don't. Fred, why didn't you tell me this all along? Why? No, it's not a good idea. I mean, taking him to the village is the wrongest idea at this moment. What more can I do for a friend? It's fine. I'll be around tomorrow morning. So we'll see, yeah? Alright, no problem. My regards to him. Take care. Bye.
Now. Son, what's the matter with you? It's okay, stop crying. Stop crying. Hey, it's alright. It's okay. Come on, cheer up, okay? I already told you mommy didn't travel for long. She'll be back soon, okay? Cheer up. Okay? Come on, cheer up, okay? Okay, come on.
Is anybody home, please? Anybody home? Is anybody home, please? Anybody home? Anybody home, please?
Hey, Fred.
Hi.
I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were here. I was actually in my room. Yes.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh.
Looking good.
Oh my goodness. He's so handsome. Just like his father. Oh.
Yeah.
Boy, come on.
Junior has been like this ever since he started looking for his mother. Yes, he flares up at the slightest provocation. Son, come on. It's okay. It's okay. Calm down, okay? It's okay, it's alright, huh? Just like I told you, mommy will soon be back. Okay? Sooner than you expected, huh? But very soon, okay? You know I love you. Huh? And Auntie here loves you, okay? Okay, henceforth you're gonna be staying with Auntie, huh? Auntie will take good care of you, very good care of you. She'll buy everything for you, huh? Now I'm always busy at work. Yes, as usual now, I'll be dropping by to see you, okay? Cheer up, huh? Stay with her, henceforth, huh?
Working at your back to get you down.
You are the prince of my world. Under your spell is where I found me. Like you're living inside my head. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you. I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. You are the prince of my world. Don't let go, don't let go. I love you, I love you. I won't let go, won't let go. Oh baby, I love you. Under the darkness, you're my moonlight. You brighten my skies, you're my superstar. This love is a miracle. This love is a mystery. I'm under your spell, under your spell. I don't want out, don't want out. Love more.
What's... Oh, calm down, okay? It's alright. It's alright. Stop. It's alright. Don't cry, okay? I understand. Don't cry. But go to sleep. We need to sleep. Oh, we need to sleep. Lie down. Good boy. Lie down. Why are you behaving so strange? Alright, dear. I specially made this food for you. So it's time to eat. Here. What are you doing, Junior? Eat your food. Can you eat your food? Junior? Huh? Junior! Dr. Fred.
Yes?
I don't understand honestly. Junior is beginning to behave so weird. I don't understand him anymore. He gets angry unnecessarily. You can't believe that he woke up in the middle of the night, started scattering things in my room. I tried stopping him, he was behaving very stubborn. And then this morning, I made food, served him. He threw the food away, started running. He was running as if he knew where he was running to. I honestly don't understand what is wrong with him these days. I don't.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Though you and I know where his aggression is coming from. He's just a little boy that misses his mother so much. So whoever prevents him from running around, in search of his mother, instantly becomes his enemy. And people who know them very well, as the little boy and his mother, said they are very much into each other. Both of them are alter egos. They go everywhere together. Let me tell you something. Whenever I look at this boy, I see prints. Just like when Prince and Angel, when things were going well before the ugly incident, they're always together. Again, because we are friends of his parents, we should take proper care of this boy. And if pleases God, tomorrow the mother is found, that will help, ease distress in the little boy.
Wow, this is so nice, girlfriend. I'm glad you like it. I love it. So what time is your occasion?
7 p.m. on the dot. Wow. And guess what?
What?
Better thanks for coming on the ground.
I trust you. Baby girl for life. This is really nice.
Thank you, baby. I trust you. Oh my goodness. I love my outfit. I love... What are you saying? It's gonna be hot.
This is really nice.
I know what
it's like a product from your last trip to Dubai. Super awesome.
I love this.
Hey Junior, how are you?
Junior, come say hi to Auntie Chelsea. Come.
What is wrong with him?
I'm afraid, but this has been his attitude ever since. The poor boy misses his mother so much. He was so close to her that whenever he's not around her, every other thing there means absolutely nothing to him. What I don't understand is his weird attitude. He behaves so weird that sometimes he wants to run out of this house. Yes! Exactly the same thing I suffered in the hands of his mother. It is crazy. I don't know why he prefers to walk around the street than being in the house where he'll be taken care of. I'm just lost.
Oh boy.
I don't understand.
Anyways, just get ready. The kitchen is gonna be
Don't even say. Don't even say. I will so slay. Every other person will be so jealous of me. Wait now.
I trust it.
Who could have done this?
So you better be careful.
What this little boy is doing is horrible. I can't take it anymore. Okay, fine. I understand what he has been passing through as a little boy. And yes, my best friend's son is also my son. I actually asked for this. I volunteered to help. But his weird attitude is becoming so unbearable for me and I can no longer take it. I can't. I mean, I don't know what he feels. I mean, maybe he thinks he's under house arrest.